What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Crypto Michael here, guys, to coming to you today with a unboxing video. I actually, not this, definitely not this, but VisionTek, as per Brandon Coin's one of his videos, they did like mystery boxes, $5 mystery box. You know, you purchase it, get maybe a graphics card, random, definitely probably not newer. But I bought some. I got like 4 of them. So I got them here, and I was gonna open them up with y'all and see what we got. So I got this big old box here, right here, guys. You know, we can bam. We can even there we go. See here. Let's see what we got. So I am not expecting to get like anything crazy. So as per what Brandon Quinn got, he got one of these too. The portable speaker, Pitbull branded. So he got one of those too. Got the same thing. That was one of the mysteries. We got this. What's this one? No. So this is what we got. So we got the portable speaker. As I said, I like how it says mystery box. It has exactly what it is on the box. It's a mystery, but we're going to tell you exactly what it is. Which is whatever. It's funny. So that's really stuck in there. Yeah. There it goes. The sticker was holding it the rest of the way in. So right there. If we can open the plastic wrap. Little bitty portable speaker. It's got a metal case, so that's cool. Let's see what we got with these, man. What did we get here? I see brackets. Looks like a graphics card. We got a 1 GB graphics card with display and VGA output. I think I know somebody else that got one of these as well. So here it is, VisionTek. If the camera will focus. 1 GB. No external power. VGA display and DVI out port. So that was mystery box number 2. And they gave extra brackets with that. So that was box number 2. Box number 3, we got I literally see a CD. Come on, we don't do driver CDs anymore. We're past that point in our lives. Not even a regular CD either. It's a micro CD. It's so tiny. But we got a USB 3.0 expansion card. So it gives us 2 extra USB 3.0s. Don't know if that's capable of use for mining or not. Mine doesn't have external power. Buddy of mine got the same one, and they have Molex on the back. So if you're watching this video, you know who you are. I don't even get Molex on the back of mine. It's kind of sad. Hurts my feelings a little bit. No external power. So you're kind of limited on that. And then we got this bigger box. This is the biggest box out of all of them. So we're gonna for something really good. It's really light, so I wouldn't expect anything crazy. But we do have another graphics card. Jeez. ATI Catalyst, guys. Does anybody else remember these? ATI Catalyst software. Wow. I haven't seen that kind of stuff in a long time. So, we do have another graphics card. That is what we got so far. It's a good box. Wow. What do we have here? We have an ATI X 1050 AGP 256 megabyte video card. Wow. You know it's old when you got S video. Not even full PCIe. S video, VGA, and DVI output. Wow. That's really old. Classic. This is kind of what I was going for. I wanted like some classic graphics cards that I could like make a shadow box out of. So this is one. I've never used this one before, but that's pretty crazy. So there you go. Here's the model. Right there. Yeah. So those are the hauls from the mystery box. They don't have any more that I'm aware of. I don't think so. Let's see. Mystery box. Nope. No more mystery boxes. Fresh out of mystery boxes. So I know they do them every year. So hopefully maybe next year maybe you can get your chance to get one of these mystery boxes. So hope you enjoyed this short quick video. Catch y'all later, guys. Much love. Hope you had a Merry Christmas, a great New Year, and see y'all later.